the way I have the brother. So everyone can see, this is called physical control. So I know what I'm talking about. This is physical, this proof, this is physical control. What does physical can see? So look, I've got him on the lock. He can't move. And so when you get taught something and you try to relate it, try to link it to something else, that's what I did. Right? So this is called physical control. I can actually get him to sit down, which we don't have enough space. So now this is called the emotional control or mental control. He's got to think about, what is Abu Nadeer doing to me right now? What is he doing? Is he showing off? Is he humiliating me? Is he taking the mick? This is mental control. Now the emotional control, it could be internal. That's something between him. It's really hard. Emotional is the hardest, right?
Yeah.
So afterwards, when he goes home, he has to control that emotion that he might feel. What did Abu Nadeer do? He might get really sad. he's laughing. So he might be dealing with pain with laughter. So I don't know, right? So I don't know how this is going to turn out. But whatever is inside of him now does not like what I'm doing. I know that for a fact. It's just going to run away and just say, I'm not part of this. Does everyone understand? So let's take it to the side. Just sit down. No, I mean, you don't have to sit down if you don't want to. Look, I'll put you down. There you go. So it's like restraining. Now I'm loosening it up a little. He actually, it's a better position for you. This one.
Yeah.
It's released a little bit. So now I will recite in this position. So anyway, it's not nice for him actually. And now I'm going to show you another one. So stay there. So now I'm going to press on a certain part of the body. Okay. Can you open the door?
Yes.
I'm going to press a certain part of the body. Can you watch his shoulders, all right? His shoulders are going to move. No, just sit there. Just watch his shoulders, maybe his head as well. His body's going to move ever so slightly, and that's going to show you I've actually pressed the button in his body. It's a button. Okay, what? Did you see his body move? Okay, you have to watch. Well, did you see his body move? Okay, watch again. Did you see it?
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So his body moved. He's actually a nice person. He's not resisting. If he was a bit arrogant, you can tell by they'll resist. Some characters are like that. They will resist just to prove you wrong. But then there's other tricks for them kind of people. So what I'm showing you is this is Chinese, Japanese stuff, and even maybe Indian, right? You can sit back. This is a type of me trying to convince you that I know what I'm talking about, right? And basically, I'm trying to make you understand is the steps of, or the framework of healing first is taking control. Physically, then mentally, and then emotionally. And this doesn't apply to everyone straight away. In the beginning, it's different. Like, for instance, if I was to read on you, there's no reaction. On the second occasion, there's no reaction at all. On the first time, no, there was a bit of swearing, a bit of aggression, a bit, I want to fight you, or who you. But in the second session, like, there's nothing wrong there. So how do you apply this theory to that? Okay, that's another level of making you understand. Okay, so it's not as simple as the framework that I've said, because no one can just copy this and repeat it. You have to actually be trained. You have to be trained. How do we do physical control? I had physical control on you, right? But then how do you teach somebody to take physical control for themselves? And that takes somebody with a bit of skill. Okay, so this is the rule, okay? So in Ruqyah, beating is part of Ruqyah. Okay? And if you don't take control of yourself, I would have to take that control. Does that make sense? So for instance, you get up, try to attack me, I will attack you back just as much or even worse. And then you have to take that control because you will feel the pain. Not the jinn is going to go, and then you're going to be there thinking, what the heck just happened? Then you're going to take control. But if your anger now comes in, kicks in, that's usually what they do. They'll make you attack the Iraqi, then they'll go down, then the Iraqi defends himself, and then you're thinking the Iraqi is attacking you, when really you're the one who attacked the Iraqi. Does that make sense? But that's not the point, Alexander. The point I'm trying to make here is different. The point I'm trying to make is that I can take control of your body now, make it move up and down, and I can do that, right? But you need to do that. I don't want to be involved in that. You need to do that. I can teach you how to do it, but I want you to do it. Is it in the Sunnah? Yes, right? So if you give me your hand and I had something really, really painful. Actually, Sheikh Khalid, he describes this to clients. He says, If you move, I will strike you. Give me that stick, please. So everyone know this is a Filipino martial arts stick. Okay, it's been shaved. It's a bamboo stick. It's been shaved, so it's not. It's light. So, for instance, if let's say, for instance, yourself, right? Sit back normal. Put your hands on your lap. No, give me your thigh. I want to hit your thigh.
This one, please.
What's wrong with that one?
I had an injection in his head.
Doesn't matter. This is a whip. This is like a whip. Don't worry. I'm not going to beat you anyway. I just wanted to see what your reaction would be. But he was good because he didn't say, "Oh, what are you going to do?" So that's another good control. So he controlled himself by not saying to me, "Oh, what are you going to do?" So there's an element of trust as well with him, with me, which I like. It's really nice of you. But as soon as you move, I will smack your. Oh, that hurt. Actually stung. So as soon as you move, I smack. Then what happens? You kind of get shocked and you come back to yourself. So imagine every time a jinn takes control of you, I smack. What are you going to do? You're going to get shocked. What are you going to do? You're naturally going to take control. So that's how striking in Ruqyah is applied. Then you can apply pressure by squeezing. Some people squeeze the thumb, some people squeeze the little finger. There's all different types of ways of doing. Some of them know what they're doing, i.e. the Raqi knows what he's doing, or they're just copying from somebody else. Like for instance, this is really good. When I started, I would press on the temple. And all the Raqis would press it on the temples. The forehead, you'd grab the forehead like this, right? And you press the temple. Where did they get this from? It's amazing. Where did they get it from? Pardon?
Chinese.
Maybe, but it's not documented anywhere, right? But if you press the temple, you'll feel I have control of your whole body. I will grab your two temples, and it was never explained. You would only see other Raqis do it, but no other Raqis explained it. But you're controlling the head, controlling pain as well. So as soon as you move, you apply pain. Then he relaxes you, let go of the pain. Does that make sense? Shall I try it on one of you? Should we try? We said we're going to start a martial arts class. Yeah, it's like we're going back to Japan or China. The Asian stuff, they're like stuff that no one talks about. Anyway, that was a class of striking. But we're not doing it here. You're doing that internally. You're doing what? The striking internally. You're going to control whatever that is inside of you and do not let it come up. If it does come up, you know you should be getting striked, and that way your pain tolerance will take control of whatever it is trying to take control of you. Now, there is other issues that people can't take control. Like, for instance, what happens to you, that funny movements and legs and hands and wave and all that. That's very hard. But if you can control that, inshallah, that is a really good thing, if you can control it.